Have we started?
Yes.
Okay. So let's see. Friend gave me a link. What's the link about? So these are my current lists. Maybe I want to see define polarization. So these are studies relating to polarization. So these are my votes.
These are votes. Yeah. So try clicking one. Yeah.
Should I sign in?
Yeah. And we have, I think we have test user out there too, if you just want to use that. The login is test user and the password is password.
I don't think I do, Will.
Okay. Never
Oh.
mind. You might have to sign in.
Yeah.
Oh,
And also,
do I?
Will, would it be a link to just the site, or would it be a link to a particular list?
I think it would probably be a link to the list, is what I imagine people doing.
Yeah. So I guess I think the scenario is a little different then, because there isn't a list that she can play with, really. Unless you want to do exercise and depression.
Yeah. Well, yeah. I think, yeah. We can see where she goes with all of this.
Should I
Yeah.
sign
So
up? Should I
yeah,
sign up or sign in?
if you just sign up, whatever you'd like. Phasor, I like that.
Yeah, it's like my handle for everything. No one else on the internet has discovered this handle yet, so.
Oh man, a lot of days.
All right. So, votes. Okay. Notes.
Yeah.
I'm just clicking around. Do you want me to do anything in particular, or just kind of click around?
Click around, see what your general feelings are about the lists and the way the website handles in general.
Okay, so this, I guess, is a paper referenced in, this is the list. Let's see, abstract, details, comments. It'd be nice if abstract details comments were just like here rather than having me click on these. Yeah. So this, I'm guessing, will take me to the, oh, this link doesn't go anywhere.
That link does not go anywhere.
Okay. And so I guess this would be, this is a cool paper, submit. Okay, so that would be my comment on the paper, and I can edit it that if I want. Okay. Oops, uh-oh.
This is what you're talking about, right, Will?
There's another one. Yeah, there's a few bugs that we're still working out.
Yeah, that's okay. All right, we'll just do back. This is a cool paper. All right. So, okay, so here it'd be nice to have like some tabs that will take me back to where I was before. All right, so I'm guessing that most of these, oh, but let's see. It seems that, so there's, I left these papers here, but it seems that you can't see them here.
It looks like it signed you out. I don't know why.
Yeah.
Try refresh.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
Yeah, if you go back far enough to when you're not signed in, it just resets it.
Gotcha. Okay, well, let me try that again then, just to make sure. Oh, so I see. So there's sort of no reason right now to click on this link, right? Because everything I do once I've clicked on that link, I can do just directly here.
Yeah, I think we might add additional information there, or have, like you said, all the information pop up at once. Yeah, I think we're looking into options on what that link can do.
Okay. All right. So what if I upvoted this? Can I upvote? Oh, it goes up. All right. So what if I oh, where'd it go? Oh, I can only upvote once. Okay, got it. So let's upvote this.
Oh no, you can upvote as many times as you want. When you unvote it, it just goes back down. Well, you can only upvote one paper at once.
Yeah. Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
What you said is a lie, Will.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
All right, well, so these methodologies currently are unknown and biases are unknown. Is there a way to update that? What does that mean?
Yes, we are working on that right now. There are some back-end methodologies that we have saved and biases that we have saved. Are you familiar with the Cochrane library?
No.
Okay. Well, we basically got it from there. We're going to be testing a few ways, a few biases and methodologies, see what people kind of want in there. But they'll just be like things that you can click off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's coming.
That's coming. That's coming.
Cool. All right. Let's see. Add a paper by URL, DOI, PubMed ID. I'm going to try adding a paper. Do you have like a sample URL I can use?
I do not, but actually, would you mind trying if you go all the way to the top?
Hold on. Yeah, all right, fine.
Sorry.
You're contaminating the user test results, Will.
Yeah, I'm ruining it.
Okay. Then all right. Well, maybe let me see. There's a paper that I have been interested in. Paper. I'm going to try, oops. Yeah. So,
Okay.
all right. So let's see how this works. Paper
You should
title.
actually just
Paper title. Having to copy paste. I'm not sure I love that. Submit. Hey, cool. So it worked.
Yeah.
So
I was holding my breath.
abstract details. So it'd be nice if it could automatically populate the abstract and details. Well, the details, there's that. It'd be nice if I didn't have to manually enter in the title as well.
Sure.
So let's see. All right, cool. So that was URL. DOI. So, this is interesting. So if you enter by DOI, you don't have to upload the, okay, so what's another paper? Add boost paper. Let's see.
if you don't mind, one quick question. Were you familiar with? If you don't mind, a quick question. Were you familiar with DOIs before we started working on Credo?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, and most
because actually a lot of people aren't. So.
Oh, really? That's surprising.
Yeah. I think it really depends on the field you're in.
Probably. I'm gonna try a DOI here. Let's see. Whatever. Let's just do this. I'm totally messing up your stuff here. Okay. DOI.
Oh, that's great.
DOI. Let's see.
This one's about meth.
DOI. Is it? Cool. Wait, where'd it go? Bright, photoactive, fluorophores.
Yeah, that's wrong.
Oh, no.
Okay, so
there it is. Yeah.
It ordered, so this went to the top because why?
It's ordering by votes and then dates.
Oh, dates of publication.
Oh.
Oh, current. Oh, I see. By publish date.
We should probably do date and then added by on our side.
Yeah, because if I just added one, I'm clearly going to want to go there next.
I see.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
So I was kind of looking for it at the bottom right here.
Okay.
Maybe you could have like another, I don't know, like a recently added like section up top. I don't know.
Interesting.
Okay, so let me see if that populated correctly. Oh, good. So abstract details, comment.
Votes and then created it.
So, wait, what'd you say? Can you talk louder, Brian? I can't hear you.
Sorry, I'm on my phone. So, yeah, I was just telling Will, like, our comments are also sorted by vote first and then created at date. So.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I see. Okay.
We should probably stick to one convention, is what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So here, search for paper is not searching within this list. It's searching what? I'm unclear as to what. Is it searching this list?
It's not searching that list.
What's it searching?
This is actually a new feature we added. So we're thinking about replacing that bottom add feature with just a search and add paper feature.
Oh, you mean instead of this?
Instead of that, yeah.
Why can't you have both?
Yeah,
You can have
I was
both.
just gonna say both because I wrote it initially honest, and then I was like, wait a second, we're gonna need that stuff anyway.
Yeah.
You also probably like maybe want to move this to the top.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I would have both. It wouldn't be any problem to have both. So like if I had a paper, I could use this if I was just kind of like, so this is, I'm presuming, for like a literature search.
That's right. Yeah, literature search. Or I mean, what do you mean by literature? They're still journals.
Oh, these are journals?
They're still papers from journals. So you could look up that bright photoactivable fluorophores there. It should pop up eventually.
Photoactive fluorophores. What if I misspell? That's a thing, right? Like, what if, hold on, let me just copy paste. Oh, okay, here we go. Cool. Blah, blah, blah. All right, cool. What if, do I need the whole title? Let's try and see. No. So if you're gonna have a search, you want to make the search, I guess, a little bit better. So in here, like I search bright photoactivatable, and I want those two. Well, can I like do the normal search conventions like? Oh, okay, just kidding. All right. I wonder if you can add like advanced search, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Do you know of any papers off the top of your head that you could search for?
What?
Do you know any papers off the top of your head that you might want to add? Just like a title or however you would search for a paper to add onto there.
AdaBoost. I want the AdaBoost paper. Yeah, so here's the thing. There's AdaBoost is this algorithm, but there's a lot of papers about AdaBoost, like using AdaBoost. And if I want the original paper, I probably want to order these search results by date.
I see.
So instead of having a pull-down menu, maybe just give me a search page. But see, like Google Scholar already does this, right? So I wonder if there's any way for you to incorporate Google Scholar into your website.
Right.
Because right now there's no reason why I can't just like open up another tab with Google Scholar.
Right.
Yeah, unfortunately Google is quite protective of their search, so.
Yeah, I'm not surprised.
Monsters.
But you see what I'm saying, right? Like if I want the original AdaBoost paper, I'm not going to do it here.
Right.
Yeah, so having a way to filter search results is important. And if you have like advanced features, for example, if you know that your publication is supposed to be in like 2014 or whatever, you should be able to filter for that before doing the search, you know, just as a search feature. Okay, all right, so maybe let's finish up here. So that's one list. Let me upvote this. So if I upvoted that and this came out first, why?
It's probably doing it by votes and then last updated. So that list was last updated by you, and also has the most votes.
All right. I would prefer to have more control over the ordering, because I'm like pretty type A, and I like doing ordering things certain ways. Like I feel like if I ever just get angry at a website's usability, it's because I can't like customize stuff the way I want.
Right.
And like ordering and organization, especially if you have like tons and tons of lists, would be like a huge headache if I couldn't like like order it how I wanted, or like what made sense to me.
Right.
So yeah, because like maybe I don't care about like how people have upvoted my lists.
That's a good point. You can also pin too next to the votes.
Pin. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, cool. So that would. Oh wait, where do the other ones go?
Underneath.
Oh, there's pinned and then there's popular. But does pin show up in popular anymore? No. Okay. Popular meaning what? Popular meaning everything else?
Popular meaning everything else, and rated by votes.
Okay, but these haven't been voted.
Yeah. There's only 4, so those are the most popular.
So how many does this go down to?
I think we have it set to 9 right now, but yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, Faye, are you talking?
What? Yes. Can you hear me?
Oh, can you not hear her, Brian? We'll have the broadcast after as well.
Yeah.
I don't think she.
You can hear me though, right, Will?
I can hear you.
Okay.
Okay, I can hear you now.
So, all right, tags. Let me click on this list. Where are the can I change these tags?
Don't hit that edit button because it breaks the site. But yes, you can. You can change the site. You can change it.
Oh, this down here?
Yeah, that would edit the list, and then you can change those tags.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Who is this person? AAST. This is this user's lists?
Yes. That is what
Can
that
I
is.
edit this person's lists? Can I pin this person's lists?
You can pin them.
Would they like that?
They will. I don't think they'll know that you pinned them.
Oh, this is pinning them for me.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Hey, quick question.
Yeah.
Can you click his username again?
It just brought me to this page.
That's weird. That's not. It should say usernames list. It should say AAST's list.
Let's see. Let's try to. Well, it's only. Let's try this guy. That's what happens.
Well, we can fix that.
Yeah.
Weird.
Okay. What about this guy? All right. Same thing. What else can we do? Let's see. All lists. Okay. Create new list. Create new list. Okay, what do I want to learn about? Machine learning algorithms. This is a list of machine learning papers. Machine learning algorithms. Cool. Okay. So, all right. So I'll search for paper. I'm going to do the extra boost again just to like get it started up. Oh, I don't need to search. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's why. Okay, so this needs to. All right, just kidding. Oh, I must enter a title. Okay. What happens if I don't enter in a title? Like just blah, blah, blah.
That'll work.
Oh, interesting.
Well, it's because you had already entered it earlier.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so we already have it in our database.
Oh.
Just in case see people try to put in blah, blah, blah.
Okay.
But that's okay. That's okay. If you did it for a different paper, it would come out whatever you wrote it as.
Okay, let me try another one then. Let me try another archive paper. Physics, astrophysics. I don't know. Article. Wait, I don't want article statistics. Sorry. Browse new. Here we go. This one.
Do you use archive.org a lot?
Yeah, it's there. Yeah, I do. I think it's just for pre-published papers, I think. I think it's for pre-published papers. By which I mean submitted but not published yet.
Hmm. Were they just submitted by the authors?
Yeah. So this
Cool.
is, most of these are they're pre-print. I think like they've been submitted, maybe accepted, but haven't been published. So if you like really want the most recent stuff, there's archive and then there's bioarchive for bioinformatics papers. All right, so question, if I add this to this list as blah blah,
right.
Can I add it if I try to search for it in another list up here, will it show up as blah blah?
It will not.
Just trying to see. Oh, it does show up as blah blah. So it shows up as just, even though I added it again with a different name.
Right.
Oh, can I add the same paper twice?
You cannot. No.
No. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. It'd be nice to have like okay. All right, cool. So just imagining the situation, someone sends me a paper. I'm probably going to try to find a list that I already have to put that paper. Right. Oh, what if they give me a PDF? Link.
Yeah, we don't have. If it's online, then you could pop it in as a URL, but you can't upload anything currently to the site.
Okay, cool. Yeah. I think I get it. I get the way it works. It's like Pinterest for lists for papers. I think like the biggest thing probably is having like a link to the actual paper.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know where you guys were wanting to put that, but let's see.
When you say having a link to the actual paper,
yeah,
you mean, oh, okay. So yeah, if you go to details.
Okay, yeah. So there's so there's a link to that. But what about like this one? Right? Is there a link? Oh, there's a DOI. Oh, okay. Cool. So I click there, not here. Got it.
Yeah, we might. Yeah.
All right, cool. So right now, I guess like I'm a little unclear as to you don't even need to click on this. Like you don't need this link.
Yeah.
Right now.
For now, I think a lot of the information can be found on this main page. But we might add some additional information there depending on what people are looking for.
Yeah. Okay.
So overall, though, from an overall like usability, it looks like most of the features you get makes sense. We need to rejigger a few things, but from the actual site and like how would you use something like this? Or
yeah,
I think. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I would, but it needs to be more customizable.
Right.
And the thing is, I mean, and this is sort of hard to tell, is sometimes I sign up for things that seem like it would suit my purposes, and then after it needs to continue to suit my purposes, right? Like it needs to scale well. So there's some things that like I'll use for a little bit, and then if I accumulate too many things, it becomes unusable. I'll give Pinterest as an example. Pinterest is good if you only have, I mean, I'm sure you know how Pinterest works. If you only have, say, like a dozen pins per board, right? But Pinterest is super, super, super annoying in that you can't like mass delete pins, okay? And you can't like you can't mass move pins from one board into another board. It's also really hard to edit boards after you've already created them. And it's also well, let's see. What else do I not like about Pinterest? You also can't mass edit links. For example, like if I wanted to add different tags to like a dozen papers at a time, I have to go in like I'm just saying this is actually for you.
Right.
I want to be able to edit the tags of multiple papers at one time. Because the thing with me is that my way that I have of organizing things changes depending on how many things I have to organize. Right. So like if I only have a dozen things, then I'm probably going to pay less attention. But like if I'm start accumulating dozens more, then I might want to put things into different boxes or give things different tags or whatever.
Right. That makes sense.
Yeah. So it's really important to like have it be scalable.
Right. Just be able to do the features across a lot of things.
Yeah.
Basically.
Yeah.
Do you use PubMed a lot? I can't remember.
Yeah, I get links from there. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're familiar with PubMed, and that's probably because you're in the bio realm as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Brian, do you have any other questions? I don't know. I think Brian. Oh, there he goes. We can't hear you if you're talking.
Oh no, I'm not.
Oh, I mean Brian.
Oh yeah, I can't hear him.
Okay, that's okay. Yeah, Brian, if you want to type in the chat box if you have any questions. Other than that, this was super helpful. Cool. I think, let's see, while we have you, like, would you use this to share? Like, what would you be using this for overall? Like, would you, yeah. I don't want to.
Probably personal organization.
Okay.
It's already a step up from the way I currently organize my papers, because currently, so like in Mendeley, I don't know. You've seen my Mendeley, right?
Yeah, we've seen. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's just like a list of papers, and you can put them in like directories and like folders, right? But Mendeley is also very difficult to like reorganize papers, and sometimes I don't care about having the actual PDF on hand, right? I just care about like the abstract or whatever. So Mendeley is maybe like too much. This is sort of like organization. It's just a way to visually organize papers, and I like that concept. So, sorry, what was your original question?
No, that was the question. What would you using it for? It sounds like you'd be using it to organize your papers.
Personal organization, kind of like the way I might want to use Pinterest for organizing like recipes, which is what I used to use Pinterest for, but I don't anymore. That would be kind of, that would be this. I will also say that I have in what was I going to say? In Pinterest, I have like different boards for different like categories of recipes. But I also have a board for read and not read and read immediately, right? So that's probably what made, not made, make immediately or whatever, make next week. So that's probably how I'd be using this too, as I imagine it.
Interesting. So how would you feel about other people looking at your page, your list that you created?
Oh, that would be fine. I mean, Pinterest is public too, right? And people like will repin my pin, like whatever, cool.
Okay.
But I would not. Yeah, I'm not sure that I'd want people to upvote on, right? I'm actually unclear on what the votes mean. Like who is voting on paper, and like if other people are voting on papers in my lists, does that like automatically like order my list?
It does.
Yeah.
Interesting. Yeah, because we were coming at this from a kind of like a canonical creation of lists. So if you have a question like, should you be using those toe shoes? You know, the concept is that the votes, the comments, and the many people adding to the lists allows you to create a canonical list. But it sounds like you want to use this as a personal organization tool instead.
Yeah, mostly, but I can see a space for collaborating with colleagues. Definitely. Yeah. So if I was able to like sort of have like lists, like my page of lists contain lists that are shared as well as lists for myself, that would be perfect.
Interesting. Okay. I think that's really helpful.
Yeah.
Let me just make sure Brian didn't text me any questions.
Oh, he did. Would you mind building a test list for a couple colleagues to play with live? I think votes basically mean that you think someone should see this first. Mind building a test list for a couple. Okay. I think votes basically mean that you think someone should see this first.
Yeah.
But like who though? Like I mean, so I get like if you had a list that you shared with colleagues and you could vote among your colleagues, that would make sense. I'm a little fuzzy. Well, yeah, I get it.
Yeah. I think we have to make a few decisions on privacy and private lists versus public, and the kind of direction we want to play with all of that. So I think we'll talk through all of this. Yeah. Permissions, basically. Yeah. Okay, cool. Well, thanks so much, Faye. If you feel free to use the site, by the way. Ankar's already using it without her permission, but that's cool.
Yeah, cool. Very cool.
Love it. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
All right. Have a good day. Bye.
Okay. Bye.